I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to your plastic world.
Hey, Professor Vinster here from Your Plastic World. I'm in the middle of renovating and trying to figure out my usage of space. But I've been watching videos at night before I go to bed most of the time because I've been working doing other stuff. And I've been watching, I call the big guys that are up there that already monetized, and they have a pile of subscribers, followers. And I was thinking to myself when they were saying, um, before you start a channel, make sure you do your homework on what is out there that people want to see. But then I'm thinking to myself, the algorithms of what people want to see may not be my passion. And I'm thinking that if I do something that I don't feel is where I am and what I love, then I'm not going to do very well at it. And if I if I and when I monetize, then I'm kind of stuck doing that, and I might as well go back and work for the man. And I don't want that. And the thing is the 3D printing that I do, I love it. I love painting and I enjoy it. So it's something that I can put together that I can make videos of, and hopefully the viewers and there's people out there that are going to like what I do. But if I did my homework and decided that, because I could do a lot of different things. I mean, I could go from cutting lawns to video of there's guys doing that. There's going around helping people. There's guys doing that. There's videos of people fixing tractors. I do that. But I want to finally do something that I like to do every day. And if it's raining outside, it doesn't matter. And if it's snowing outside, it doesn't matter. So my passion is what I chose, no matter if the algorithm, you know what I'm trying to say, the rhythms like it. Uh, and they're saying, no, now the keywords don't mean nothing really. And there's all kinds of different people saying. There's one guy I follow that he's got these really cool glasses, and I got lots of hair, but he doesn't. So I'm not going to say the names because I don't know if I'm allowed to or not. But anyway, he's pretty cool and he's a good talker. And yeah, it's one thing to talk all the time, but it's also to have a craft to show what you can do and a skill because people like to see that. And then you never know how long of a video you should make. How long are you going to hold somebody in to watch the whole video? Well, if that person's interested in what you're doing, yeah, they're going to stay. There's always going to be someone that's interested in what you're doing. You can't catch everybody. Like even those big guys out there, they're not catching everybody. It's a big world. So I'm thinking, do what you love, and if people also love it, you're going to get subscribers. Right now, I only have a few. I'm just going on to 4 months, and I have I think 143 subscribers. And I think all of them want to be there because they found me. And the other thing about it is, do you want to do something that you have to figure out every day what you're going to do? I don't have a problem with that. I got a passion that if I've got a whole bunch of projects I can bring up, like I've got this guy here, like I did him, and I do airbrushing, and I do the like body work and sanding. So if there's a problem, I can big have him or do him any way I want him, and I do the glass eyes, which makes a difference. And Mrs. Vinster will help with the his hair is coming out. He's like me. Ah, he's getting old. Well, yeah, they're coming out with a new movie of this, the Gremlins. So I heard there's a whole bunch of new movies out from back when I was younger and stuff like that that are pretty cool. Not remakes, but actually, you know, which remakes I don't really care for. We're getting off topic now. But anyway, um, when it comes to people telling you to go with what YouTube wants to see, it's do you have it here in your heart? Do you want to do something that you think other people want to see, or do you want to see something and do something that you want to do? This is what I'm getting at. Do you want to do it? Do you want to do it forever? Like, you just can't keep dropping channels. Well, I'm 58 this year, and I can't keep turning around and saying, okay, this is what I'm going to try. I mean, the younger people can try anything they want, see what happens. But uh, I think that at my age, and even the younger people, you got to go with your passion. You got to go with what you like. Like my son, he doesn't do so much of he doesn't paint. He'll do 3D printing, no problem. But he's not a painter. He's a computer guy. He does the computer stuff, and he's got the knowledge of what goes together. He does this all day long, and it's his passion. He said to me, "I'd like to do what you do, but do you really like to do what somebody else does? Because if you want to learn to do something with wrenches, you want to learn to do something with 3D, you're going to do it and you're going to go online and you're going to check out what people are doing because that you have the passion to do it. But if you're doing it because you want to, like I'm trying to explain it, everybody can't just, you got to want to do it. You got to want to be able to hold that wrench properly. You got to want to hit that hammer properly. You got to know how to hold that axe properly. Work on that car. That passion has to be there. It has to be there, or else you're not going to be successful. And I'm successful in what I do. Will I be successful on YouTube? Put him down there. Am I going to be successful on YouTube? Is people going to follow my channel? I don't know. I'd like to. I'd like to do stuff that people are going to follow, but I got to go with what's here. I can't go with what they're telling you that that this is what they want you to do, and all of a sudden you're doing it. Like there's guys out there that work on 3D printers that are masterminds that can change the XYZs to the point where they're doing they go in and reprogram it. They go in and adjust stuff. I'm the guy that goes in and fixes it. I'm the guy that goes and pulls stuff apart, fixes it. I can do that other stuff. I don't usually do videos on how to change the program of it and do that, but I'll do a video on how to unclog it. I'll do a video on how to feed it. I'll do a video on how to fix the temperatures, replace the parts. I'll do that. That's not a problem, but it's not what my channel does. But there's guys out there that do that, and that's the ones I like to associate with. Is those guys that are doing that because they're a little different than me. I'm more in the sculpture of it, and the 3D printers are my tools to do that, and the tools that go with it. And I have a background in audio, which has not been going so great for me lately with the computer, but whatever. I'll figure it out, and this will all work out. And the thing is what I'm getting to again, and I'm going to end with this: go with your passion. Do the channel you want. If you want to do a channel to make money and that's all you want to do, even gaming, it's a hard one, I think, with gaming because I heard that with gaming, it's hard to get sponsors. But hey, that's your passion. So you're going to have to go with your passion. So if it's gaming, it's gaming. If it's catching mice for people, it's catching mice for people. If it's out there getting those iguanas out of Florida and having people follow you, that's your passion. If it's going into a sewer and catching fish that tropical fish that shouldn't be there, that's your passion. I love all that. Wood carving, I love it. Used to do it, but now my passion is to put stuff together, put it together in a larger scale, put some glass eyes in it, and make it as real as I can do. There's guys out there that are just amazing. So anyway, stay tuned for my next video after this, and be good and passion.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.